Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you 7 crockpot recipes. I have been really into using my crockpot lately, so these recipes are all so good, so easy. I just love dump and go recipes. Dinner is ready at the end of the night. We have super busy schedule, so the crockpot has just been an absolute lifesaver. So I'm sharing with you these 7 awesome dump and go crockpot meals. I hope you love them. I'll list them all in the description box as well. But if you're new to my channel, also make sure that you subscribe. Tons of crockpot cooking, casserole cooking, meal planning videos. So make sure you subscribe. All right, let me show you these awesome recipes. The first one I'm going to share with you is a chicken onion soup crockpot meal. It is really absolutely delicious. So I have 2 chicken breasts that I diced up, a can of cream of chicken, which I love using cream of chicken, cream of mushroom in the crock pot. It just makes a really nice gravy for whatever kind of meat you have. I'm using 1 packet of onion soup mix. You can use Lipton onion soup mix. It's the best. I have 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to give all of this just a little stir, and then I'm going to cook this on low for about 5 hours. My crock pot doesn't have a low 5-hour setting, so I put it on 8 hours and then just turn it off between 5 and 6 hours. So nice gravy, delicious. I'm going to add the chicken to some rice and veggies. Broccoli's our favorite, but I love this sauce over the rice. So good. So now I'm going to add on top, the best part is the French fried onions. Oh my gosh, so much flavor in these and just awesome texture with the crunch. Really so delicious and easy. So I'm going to do another chicken. I'm going to do chicken fajitas. So I have my 2 chicken breasts diced up. I'm using a green bell pepper, and I'm doing an orange bell pepper as well. I have an onion. I'm just dicing all of this up into strips. I'm adding in some olive oil, and I'm going to add in my fajita seasoning. So you can use your favorite kind of fajita seasoning, or you can combine all the seasonings and make your own fajita seasoning. But I'm just loading up the fajita seasoning. I'm going to toss it a little bit, and then this is just ready to cook for the day. Just love easy dump and go recipes. So same with this one, 5 hours on low, 5 to 6 hours. Chicken does dry out, so definitely don't want to overcook it. So I have it with some rice and black beans, just a perfect, nice, high protein dinner, and really delicious and easy. I'm going to do a taco pasta, and it's definitely really fun to do pastas in the crock pot. You don't put the noodles in until the end though. So I have my 1 pound of taco seasoning. I have my Better Than bouillon. I'm going to do 1 can of diced tomatoes. I like to get the ones with the green chilies, and I am going to add in, this is so good, the ultimate Southwest blend. It is corn, black beans, onions, bell peppers, all of the Southwest flavors, and really easy. It's just great. I love having a bag of this in the freezer. Just convenient to have it for all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to let this cook on low, and it just doesn't take long. The taco meat's already cooked. Everything's cooked. So I have that ready to go. I'm going to add in now my noodles. After I give it a stir, I'm going to add in some noodles. And you can use, I'm using elbows, but you can do like a macaroni noodle is really good with this. Just really delicious. So super easy. I'm going to add in some Fiesta blend cheese, 1 cup. And then I'm going to put the lid back on this and let those noodles cook in the rest of the kind of taco flavors. And I'm going to check it every 10 minutes. So it takes about 20 minutes for the noodles to cook all the way through. And I'm going to stir every 10 minutes. So this is ready to go. Makes a nice big batch and just really awesome flavors in this one. Definitely a huge hit with us because we love anything taco related. So for this one, I'm going to be doing some chicken thighs. I am just gonna lay the chicken thighs into my crock pot. This is gonna be a teriyaki chicken, and we eat a lot of chicken in our family, chicken breast, chicken thighs. So this is a great way to make a big, huge batch to prep this for the week. So I'm gonna add a sauce to it. I have some honey. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of honey. I don't like to measure honey out like in a measuring spoon because then you just can't get it all off of that measuring spoon. So eyeball about a tablespoon. I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of liquid aminos. You can do soy sauce also. And then I have ketchup as well. I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of ketchup. And then this sauce just is great with these chicken thighs. And like you can see, it's a huge batch, and we just have chicken thighs ready to go for lunch, for dinner. These pack really well for my husband and I for lunches. So really, really easy and delicious, and just they cook all day and you don't even have to worry about it, which is my absolute favorite part about crock pots. We have super busy schedules right now, so having a nice, yummy meal ready to go at the end of the day when we get home is just the best. I just look forward to nights that I throw in a crock pot meal in the morning so that I don't have to cook. So this is just a really, really great one. My kids love chicken thighs also, so this is a fan favorite for us. And I love chicken thighs on the barbecue, but they're messy, and I just don't love cooking them on the barbecue. So this is a really great alternative, and they turn out absolutely delicious. I'm going to do a chicken parmesan. Got my chicken, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, Italian seasoning, and some pasta sauce. So my chicken's diced up like I love to do. I feel like it keeps it more moist when it's cooking, and you get all those flavors into the chicken. My Italian seasoning, put as much as you'd like of this, whatever your preference is. And you can use your favorite pasta sauce for this one. I love this 4 cheese by Classico. I think it has a really good flavor. You can also do a homemade pasta sauce if you'd like, if you have that. I'm going to add in my grated Parmesan cheese. My kids have been really into this grated Parmesan cheese lately. They add it onto a ton of different things. We have a lot of spaghetti and meatballs, so they've been using a lot of this cheese lately. Adding in some mozzarella cheese on top. This is really easy. You can serve this with some side of pasta. You can do side of rice and veggies, and this is easy and so much flavor. I love chicken parmesan. It is so good, and this is just a super easy way to make it. Anything dump and go is just definitely right up my alley. So we've got some spaghetti, and then just adding on the Parmesan chicken. Definitely a great, easy weeknight meal. The sauce is super good. I'm going to be doing a crack chicken. My chicken, cream cheese, cream of chicken, shredded cheddar cheese, better than bouillon. I have some ranch seasoning that I just stored in this container, and some bacon pieces. I love anything with bacon and cheese and ranch flavors, so this one is definitely right up there with one of my favorites. Anything with cream cheese, definitely delicious. So I'm just going to take these, put them in different pieces so that it's not one big, huge brick of cream cheese. So just kind of portion it out before it gets going here. And then I'm going to add in my cream of chicken. And like I mentioned earlier, I love cream of chicken and cream of mushrooms in crock pots because it makes just a nice creamy gravy sauce that you can pour over rice or pasta. So good. So I have a tablespoon of ranch seasoning, and I have 1 cup of cheddar cheese. So this is really so good. 1 cup of chicken broth. And this is just with the bacon. You can use bacon pieces, or you can cook your own bacon and dice it up, but you definitely want the bacon to already be cooked. You don't want to put in raw bacon on this one because it just does not cook in the crock pot with the rest of the ingredients. So give it a little bit of a stir. I'm going to cook this on low for 5 to 6 hours, just like my other chicken crock-pot meals. And this is absolutely delicious. Definitely a huge, huge hit. We make this one a lot. So it is just anything with this nice, creamy, delicious sauce. So super hot. It's definitely steamy, but it is really fun to have this one ready to go at the end of the day. The cream cheese makes it super creamy, which I absolutely love, and just a really, really awesome flavor. Like I said, this one is like on repeat in our house because it's really, really good. Serve it with some rice so that you can use all that yummy sauce on the rice. Definitely delicious. Definitely easy also. So this last one I'm going to do is a butter chicken. I have my 2 chicken breasts diced up. I have this butter chicken simmer sauce. Absolutely delicious. Not too spicy. Super good. Tomato sauce. I have evaporated milk. I've got an onion, and then some seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. This one has so much flavor. The sauce is so good. And like I said, it's not too spicy, but it's definitely got a little bit of a kick. So I have half of a diced onion with my 2 pieces of chicken breast. I'm adding in my seasonings. Like I said, I have paprika. I have garlic powder and onion powder as well. So adding in some seasonings into this, and then I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. This sauce is amazing. This brand, I got this at Walmart, but they also sell it on Amazon also. So definitely, if you can't find it on Walmart, check it out on Amazon. I highly recommend this sauce. Really, really good, and just makes just a delicious. You add, of course, to rice or something to soak that sauce up with, and this is just a great, great meal. So I have my tomato sauce, have my evaporated milk, and this is really, really good. Super easy, dump and go. It just does not get any easier than that. Right up my alley. Anything I can just dump into the crock pot and have ready at the end of the day is my favorite. And I love crock pots because you don't have a lot of dishes to do with these, just the crock pot. You can use a crock pot liner if you'd like. I don't, because I just don't mind washing the crock pot, but some people love the liner. They can just throw that away after you've taken your meal out, and just really, really convenient. So this one is ready to go. Nice and everything cooked, nice and warmed up, and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed these 7 crockpot recipes that I did this last week. They are all really, really good. So easy, just dump and go, and they're really great. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a really great rest of your day.